Young Rush welcomes you. Careers in Power Grid Corporation of India Limited. Power Grid is India's largest and one among the largest power transmission utilities in the world, has developed expertise in its core areas such as power transmission, subtransmission system, distribution management, load dispatch, and communications. It is a Schedule A and Maharatna public sector enterprise of Government of India, which was incorporated on 23 October 1989. Power Grid is mainly engaged in the business of transmission of power through its extra high and high voltage transmission network. So, you might be thinking how to get a job in Power Grid? The candidate should be B.Tech in electrical, electronics, computer science or civil engineering discipline with AICTE approved college or institute. Moreover, candidates who qualify in the GATE exam can apply for Power Grid's recruitment for the post of Assistant Engineer Training. Almost every year, starting from the junior level, Power Grid recruitment happens at all levels. The job notifications are displayed on their official website. Here is the step-by-step application process to join Power Grid. Step 1. Registration and filling of PGCIL application form. For this, you may visit Power Grid's official website. Step 2. Upload certain documents as per the required specifications. Step 3. Pay the required online application fees. Now, selection process for Power Grid is as follows. Step 1. Based on GATE score, candidates will be shortlisted. Step 2. Group discussion. Step 3. Personal interview. For calculation of the final score of a candidate qualified in an interview for the post of Assistant Engineer Trainee, the weights of marks obtained in GATE, group discussion, and interview will be as indicated below. Total weightage is 100%. GATE marks weightage is 85%. Group discussion weightage is 3%. Personal interview weightage is 12%. Step 4. Final selection. Power Grid offers one of the best packages in the industry. Selected candidates will be placed in the pay scale of approx rupees 40,000 during the one-year training period. During their period, they will be paid a stipend in the form of basic pay of rupees 40,000 along with IDA, HRA, and perks at 12% of basic pay. On successful completion of training, the candidates will be absorbed as engineers on the scale of rupees 50,000. The compensation package also includes basic pay, dearness allowance, performance-related pay, company-leased accommodation, PF, gratuity, pension and leave encashment, insurance, etc. Hope you found this video interesting. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.